guys, just covering our 70 series component speakers for the front here. So the 4-inch ones, so just covering what comes in the kit. So in the kit here, you are going to be getting a few wires. Get these out. We did make a little mistake in the kit, so we will improve that in the next one, but there's a tiny little bit of manual work here for do it at the moment. Toyota adapters, these will plug into the current Toyota plugs that you're going to pull out of the current 4-inch woofers or speakers that are in the front of the 70 series that are pretty crap. Your tweeter holders, your 2 tweeters, 1, 2, the crossovers, 1, 2. There's just a spec sheet over here if you want to know anything, and obviously get 2 woofers. So there's the other woofer there. Now for the connection, basically we're going to have to improve this bit in the future, but you've seen the install video. This here is going to plug into a Toyota plug, and then this here has to go into the input. Now the easiest way to do that is probably to chop out of this wire and just use one of the extra ones in the kit here, join that together, and then you'll have your Spade connectors at the end, so that'll go in there. In the future kit, we will put the Spade connectors on the end here, so it's not sort of annoying. We do apologise about that, we just got it wrong. And then your tweeter goes to the tweeter, and then again on your woofer, what you're going to have to do is a bit you chopped off here, obviously negative and positive, you're going to have to hook onto here and here, and then what you're going to do is join this to that again, so you can put these into the woofer. So that's why there's a few wires in there. We do apologise for wrong there. In the future we will improve that. But that's everything you get in the kit, and that should give you some much better sound than what you had previously. And I'm sorry, I'll just cover this here too. These here, they do feel a bit tight, but they will go through the back of the tweeter there. Just need to push it through, so they do fit through, because obviously you need to pull that wire through, and then the tweeter will fit onto the holder. Just to repeat, the only extra thing you are going to have to do is pretty much chop this in half, and you're going to connect one end of these to one of these wires. You can choose your length of this, so you can make it whatever you need. So you basically get your Spade connectors at one end, and then you negative and positive speakers for the other. And then you'll do the same on another piece of wire, and you'll have a Toyota plug at one end and your Spade connectors at the other. That's what has to be done just for the install. But we do apologise that, but in the future we will fix that.